Hello and welcome to my video where I'm going to show you how to knit the beaded rib stitch. Although this pattern is not truly reversible, both the front and the back do look nice. And it's simple to do because it's only a 2-row repeat and it consists only of knits and purls. Right, so the first thing you need to do is cast on a multiple of 5 stitches plus 2. I cast on 17. Then for row 1, which represents the right side or the front of the knitting, you need to begin with 2 purl stitches. So make sure the working yarn is at the front and purl 2. Then take the working yarn between the needles to the back and knit 1. Then bring the working yarn to the front again and purl 1. And take the yarn to the back again and knit 1. And then you just repeat these 5 stitches over and over until you've only got 2 stitches left. So that's purl 2, knit 1, purl 1, and knit 1. And so on until there's just 2 stitches left. And then you just purl those last 2 stitches. Then row 2 begins with 2 knit stitches. So make sure the working yarn is at the back and knit 2. Then bring the working yarn between the needles to the front and purl 3. Then take the yarn to the back again and knit 2. And then repeat purl 3 and knit 2 over and over until the end of the row. So bring the working yarn to the front and purl 3. Then take it to the back again and knit 2. And so on. And that's it, that's the 2-row pattern repeat. And once you've knit that a few times, you should end up with something like this. Beaded rib stitch lies more flat than regular ribbing, and you'll see that down the centre of each of the knit stitch columns on the front here, you get a column of seed stitch, and this creates a bumpy texture. Whilst on the back, the seed stitch runs down the centre of the purl stitch columns instead. And just as a side note, if you want to knit this stitch in the round instead, then this is the pattern you would need to follow. And that's it, that's how you knit beaded rib stitch. I really hope you found this useful and thank you very much for watching.